Hi, my name is LIAN Jie, matric number 255108. Today I'm going to present about my mobile programming final project. My project is an application that lists out the phone brand in the market. Then the customer can use this application to order the phone. So now I will show about the splash screen. You can see the login bar. After the bar is done, the application will go to the login interface. So this is the login interface. The top one is the application title, then the middle one is the application logo. After that, you need to insert username, password, then click login. If you don't have the account, you can click register. If you already got the account, you can click already register. Then now we register one account first. To registration, you need to upload a picture first for your profile pic. Then we tag a picture. After that, you need to input your name, like Xiaoming, password 1 2 3 4 5 6, email Xiaoming. Then you click register. Register for Xiaoming. Registering account, you click yes. Register done. Then you input your username Xiaoming 1 2 3. The password 1 2 3 4 5 6. After that, click login. Then it login fail because wrong username. Click login success. After login, you will go to the main interface with the main activity. You can see you can select the brand, the category. Now it's all, so you will see the brand Huawei, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo. Then the first one is the full name, second one is the brand, third one is the price. So now if you want to see the Samsung, we just click the Samsung. It will show only the Samsung brand. If you want Huawei, then click Huawei. If you want Oppo, then click Oppo. If you want Vivo, then click Vivo. Okay, first of all, I will explain the spark screen. So the spark screen will declare the progress bar first. Then we link to the layout progress bar. Then we set the progress status lower than 100 and set the treat sleep 20. Then we will link to the login page, mean after this activity you will directly jump into login page. Then we start the operation. After that, we go to the login page. First of all, we will declare the item first, then link to the layout page. Then we set the test view register, can click and link to the register page. And this one is the button login, and remember me as the self-reference. This two is the code of self-reference. Then login user, that we set the user username, password. Then if the user click in the username and password is same as the data in the database, it will show the dialog success. If not, it will show the login fail. Then the third page is register page. First, we will declare the item first. After that, this one is register button. Then this is test view of login. If you already got the account, you can click the test view. You will jump back to the login page. Then this one is the dialog of tag picture. Then this is the dialog tag picture class. On activity result, we'll save the result of the profile pic. After that, this is the register user input. After that, this is the insert data. It got 4 to let the user insert with name, password, email, phone. After the user key in all these 4 things, this do in background class will send the request to the insert underscore registration PSP to save the data into the database. After that, if the system saves the data successful, it will show the registration success. If not, it will show registration fail. Then this is the register user dialog, get ID. Then this one is linked to the layout item. This one is for the upload profile pic. Then we see another 2 class. This is user. We declare a class that include name, password, email, phone. Then the last one is adapter, custom adapter. This one is for the list view. We create this class get view to get the view for the phone brand list. Which is the phone list? Will show the name, brand, price, and the picture. Then the picture will take from the PSP. After that, I will show about the layout. This is activity login page. Then this is the element of the item. Then this is the activity main. For this one is the list view. Then this is the select brand. Then here it will show the brand name. Then the third one is the register page. Register page, this one is you upload the picture. Then this 4 is you can input the text. Then you click the register. Then this one is spark screen. The last one is for the list view. Then next I will show about our database. Our database is using the cPanel. Then this is the PSP file. First, this is the profile image that save our profile pic. You can see this is the user profile pic. Then we go back. Then this one is the PSP that to connect to our server. Quick view. It will show server name, username, password, database name. Then this is the code that prove it already connect to the database. Then this is the insert registration. It will show the four items that user need to input to registration, which is name, password, email, phone. Then this is the code that link the user input to the database. Then this is the road phone plan. It will show the phone list after using this PSP. After that, this is login PSP. Login PSP including the name, password. Then is the SQL code. You select from the database. When the name is same as the database name, the password is same as the database password. Then is the code that proves the data is linked successful. After that is the upload image PSP. It will show the code that link to the Java class. After that, we go to our PSP MyAdmin. Then we click our database. You will see this is the user register table. It will show all the user detail: name, password, email, phone. Then the second one is the phone. This one is for the list view, that including the phone ID, phone brand, phone name, phone price. If admin want to add another phone brand, it just need to add the data in this table, and you will directly show the information in the app.